In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a digital signature in Acrobat. First of all, go to the Tools task pane and move over to the Forms panel. From the drop-down menu, click on the Edit button. On the top right side of the screen, under the Tasks panel, click on the Add New Field button, and from the menu that appears, select the Digital Signature option. Now make a selection on the area, give the field a name, and click on the Close Form Editing button. With that done, click on the field which you've just created. Once the new window opens up, click on the drop-down menu next to Sign As and select the New ID option. Select the new Digital ID option and move on to the next step. Now write your name and email address and move on to the next step. Here, you will be required to enter a password for your signature. With that done, click on Finish. Now you can preview how your digital signature will look like. If you have a scanned copy of your signature and want to add that instead of your name in the document, click on the drop-down button next to Appearance and choose the Create New Appearance option from the menu. Select the Imported Graphic option and then click on File. With that done, browse and select the image to be added in the signature. Before signing the document, you will be required to enter your password. Once you have entered the correct password, click on the Sign button. And there you have it. Your document has now been digitally signed.